The 20% duty concession currently available for pickup trucks used by farmers will now be extended to include other mid-sized commercial vehicles commonly used in farming.
We will also revise the GCT Act to redefine eligible vehicles to include versatile options like panel vans and small trucks. These vehicles will now benefit from the existing 20% duty concession that currently applies to pickup trucks. In other words, we are removing barriers that limit our farmers' ability to transport perishable goods, equipment, and livestock feed efficiently.
Additionally, the government will amend the regulations to allow the importation of light commercial vehicles up to 15 years old, an increase from the current age limit of 10 years. Improvements are also coming for marine fishers.
While our fish farmers have always benefited from these duty concessions, our marine fishers have not. And this is an unfortunate anomaly which must be addressed. So I've given directives that steps should be taken for our registered fishers to be included in the 20% duty concession regime.
Minister of Finance and the Public Service Favour Williams is to announce when these adjustments will take effect.